vLLM versus Triton Inference Server, choosing the right AI interface engine. Deploying AI models efficiently is key for fast and scalable applications. These are powerful interface engines, but they focus on different use cases. vLLM specializes in optimized serving of large language models, LLMs, while Triton is a versatile production-ready service supporting multiple AI frameworks and model types. Now let's start with vLLM. So this is a open source interface engine built specifically for large language models. It uses innovative scheduling techniques like page attention to maximize throughput and reduce latency, especially for token level processing and LLMs. Pros: tailor for LLM interference with high efficiency, superior throughput, and low latency for multi-user scenarios, seamless integration with Hugging Face transformers. It is also lightweight and focused design. Drawbacks: limited large language models only, doesn't support non-LLM models or other ML tasks, and also there is a smaller ecosystem compared to general platforms. The Triton Inference Server is a robust production-grade interference server from NVIDIA. It supports multiple frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, ONX, and TensorRT, enabling deployment of diverse model types, including vision, NLPs, tabular data. Pros: multi-framework and multi-model support, scalable with GPU and CPU scheduling, advanced features like model versioning, dynamic batching, and monitoring. Suitable for large production environments. Cons: more complex setup and configuration, not specialized for LLM token level optimization, and it is also heavier resource. Final thoughts: use vLLM if you want a highly optimized, lightweight server dedicated to large language models with excellent throughput and low latency, or go with Triton if you need a flexible, full-featured interference server capable of managing multiple model types and frameworks at scale.